Eonon.
Hello everybody, I'm Mitchell and welcome to Eonon Company. Today we're gonna introduce the Eonon GA2170 double-DIN Bluetooth car stereo with Android 8 and 4G RAM. First, let's take a look inside of the box. We'll show you what it has and then we'll go through some of the feature highlights. Now let's take a look inside of the box. First, you will see the ISO power harness. Then there will be the video output harness and the auxiliary input harness. If you want to transfer videos between the units with the headrest or other monitors, please make sure you install the video harness. Then there is the reserving adapter cable for a backup camera. After that, you will see two USB cables that work with the Eonon DAB box and a dashcam. After that, you will see the external microphone, used with a built-in microphone which allows you to receive phone calls wirelessly with a great sound quality. Then, there will be the GPS antenna. Install it into the A pillar to make sure you can get the best signal. Next, there is the installation tool, mounting screws, and one extra fuse. Finally, the receiver itself. Now, let's take a look at the back side of the receiver. Starting in the upper left corner, you will see the GPS antenna input. Below that would be the power cable input. To the right of that, the Wi-Fi antenna at the top, one audio output interface, and the auxiliary input. Then you will see the 3G USB interface and rear camera input at the bottom. In the bottom right corner will be the radio antenna input. Now, let's power the unit on and take a look at the front. Starting at the top, you will see the microphone. Below that, there are the home button and the back arrow button. Next will be the volume control knob, which also works as a power button. Pressing and holding this button will turn the power completely on/off. Below that, navigation button. Pressing this button will allow to enter the navigation interface. Next, you will see the SD card and GPS card slot. Support micro SD card with up to 64 GB. The last one, the reset button. Pressing this button will reboot the head unit. Thank you everybody for taking time to learn about the Eonon GA2170 double-DIN Bluetooth car stereo with Android 8 and 4G RAM. We look forward to see you again next time.
Eonon.